Alright, so the second tech demo that I would be doing is Skype, which is another online platform that allows you to virtually meet with people or without leaving your home or office. So it's absolutely at your convenience. After Microsoft bought Skype, you with one click you can join an online meeting from any device, be it from your laptop, phone, tablet, or even your personal computer for that matter. You can choose to meet right away, or you can actually schedule a meeting through Microsoft Outlook. Or sorry about this, Outlook for a later point. The meeting URL again is very, very personalized to you when you have to send a link out. Before I went further, I just wanted to show you all how Skype works. This is my personal account. These are all my contacts, and here's how this part shows you whom you have contacted recently. The thing with Skype is while you can do virtual calls, you can also make like real calls to people's phone, but then that's a paid service. So if you add Skype credit to your account, you can simply dial in the numbers and you can essentially make a call to any country here. So based on the call duration and the location that you're making a call to, you will be charged accordingly. You can choose to you can choose to video call them or audio call them, or you can make this uh, video call for all that matters. Additionally, you can this is how you can actually add people or even look for people or like send invites here. If I'm trying to talk to my brother, and it just looks up for all people in my contacts, and these are all the people that pop up. This is or another way of just searching for is just typing out the names here, and if you look up for people in your contacts, or you can just use Skype where it will just look at the entire Skype directory from around the globe. And if I still don't find it, I can probably try different means to find out. You have this is your this is my personal account, and you can like update your account however you want. Um, um while talking, so um I showed you the call features. You can also chat with people, and you can send them pictures, or or you can send them a file. You can send them a video message, and like, this is my mom. It shows that she's offline right now, but if I want to do like send a message, I can send her a message, or I can send contacts, or I can send nice emojis. If I want to send my mom a heart, there I just want to send a heart, and here I sent my mom a cute little heart. But once the call is activated, the Sky it has a lot more affordances that I will talk about, but I cannot show because as clearly I'm not on call with anyone here. Uh, so I'll go back to the Skype page, and here I am. I was thinking of using this app for collaborations, discussions, and making conversations, just like I thought about for the WebEx. Um, This can be used to teach English literature for grade 11 and 12 students and follow the Common Core standards where they are required to thoroughly understand and analyze themes for that matter. So how can Skype help accomplish this goal of collaboration? Um, as I mentioned earlier, this entire thing falls under Microsoft's umbrella of apps, you can access Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, schedule meetings with Outlooks and so on. If you would like to, if In this way, we can ensure that everyone who is on the every participant is on the same page in terms of like participation at least. Mm, some of the key features for Skype is that you can record meetings, share your screen, annotate PowerPoint for real time collaborations with up to 250 people. You can use whiteboards and stuff like that. While till the whiteboards, it was quite similar to what WebEx could do. Uh, Skype additionally can have polls, question and answer sessions, or like built-in chat boxes where so during your meetings, it just makes your meetings are like it makes your meetings a little more productive. The second affordance, which I thought was quite cool, and what was very unique to Skype was the auto cropping feature. So while your camera sees you in this wide angle perspective, the need the Skype auto crops um, you and just shows the part that is necessary essentially. So if the host is take for example if the host is in a particular or participant is in a public space or at home, it allows the person to cut out the noise and other distractions to make sure that other people are solely focusing on him or her and not being bothered by the distractions or things that are happening around them. The third affordance which I thought was again particular to Skype and was very very helpful is its on-demand 24/7 support, phone and web support. So even if you're having conferences across time zones and have trouble with Skype, you can always contact the customer support for a quick fix. You do not necessarily have to wait uh, till the next day or wait for a long time for the entire thing to sort out. So you can get like pretty immediate solutions to that matter. Uh, but when I was looking at to get a whole round perspective, when I was looking when I was thinking about the limitations, you while it says you can collaborate with about 250 people up here, if you look closer at this website, it's the free online meetings are only for up to 10 people. So beyond 10 people, if the number of participants cross 10 people, the group has to pay for the subscription, and that's quite expensive. And when you're paying for the subscription, you're not just paying for Skype, but also all the the rest of Microsoft's products like Excel, Word, OneNote, and Outlook. Um, so this not so the, I believe this is like a limiting factor. So until unless the classroom is really small or and it's very inconvenient to use Skype. And from my own personal experiences, I have experienced a lot of network lags and you know no a mediocre video quality and audio quality. But this is my little review on it and my tech demo. Let me know you test it out and let me know what do you think.